Hey everybody, welcome to Vintage Pokemon Hunter Brothers, and today I'm going to teach you how to get subscribers, or how I've gotten subscribers from 0 to about 580 right now. So yeah, I've been getting hit up a lot by a lot of smaller content creators, Pokemon YouTubers. They're at either they just started, they're at 20 or like 50 subscribers, and they want to know how to get to the first 100 or a few hundred subs. And yeah, this is basically what I've done so far. None of it's really easy, so don't expect this to be easy. This takes work, and it takes a love for what you are making content about, and some knowledge, or yeah, some knowledge about it. So all right, so I wrote down some steps because I wanted to get this kind of a little organized so I didn't forget anything, and I'm sure I probably am anyway. But the first one is content. I go through and I see a lot of Pokemon YouTubers. And something that I see a lot that I did, a lot of these mistakes are things that I've done myself too. So don't just think I'm throwing people under the bus or whatever. But you get excited. You're going to make your first YouTube video or your first few YouTube videos. And you're like, all right, I got my phone. I don't have a roll camera. And I got my phone, put it on HD. That's great. And let me go ahead and let me start filming. And you're filming, or your buddy's filming. You're holding the phone like this. And you upload it and it looks like crud, because you should hold it landscape mode so you can see everything better. When you upload it like this, just the picture just cut off on the sides and it doesn't seem well planned and it just doesn't work out. And it's just such an easy thing, just so landscape. So that's number one thing. Also with content, you want to do regular uploads. So to get subscribers and to keep subscribers, you got to have the content flow. So don't just upload like once a month or once every couple of months. Try to at least keep it to once a week, so your subscribers still know that you're there and you're making things. So you need to have those regular uploads. Another thing, and something that kind of bugs me when I see you guys, and it's something that I needed help on too in the beginning, is the thumbnails. Thumbnails are important, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'll probably go through what I do right now to do thumbnails. I'm not saying I have the best thumbnails out there, but I try to put some time into them. So when someone's scrolling through, they can be like, okay, this person might know what they're doing. This might be a well-made YouTube video. Another thing is what is your channel about? So this is something that I talked to my brother and I've talked to my wife about a lot, is like, what are people getting out of your channel? Why are people watching these kind of videos? Like when people watch Leonhart, World Breaking Nate, Max Mofo, the big channels, Unlisted Leaf, and then when they watch my channel and everybody else's channel, like, why are they clicking on it? What is the psychological feeling that they're getting from it? Like, why do people get addicted to these kind of videos? Is it just because they love Pokemon? And I'm like, that's a part of it, you know. They definitely need to have some kind of interest in Pokemon. But then when you get down to it, it's kind of like a reaction video. When you look at these thumbnails from all the creators, when you look at my thumbnails and other people's thumbnails, it's they want to share, at least I do, they want to share that kind of that reaction feeling of when you get an awesome pull, or somebody who knows so much about a certain thing gets something great from it, and then you can kind of like share that experience. So that's something that I want to make sure I keep in my videos, and maybe something that I show in the thumbnail, because I feel like that's what I'm looking for, and that's probably what my viewers are looking for as well. And then you want to put something else, like I try, since I know a little bit about Pokemon or older Pokemon, I try to give that knowledge in there as well. So it's like, hey, let me tell you all about vintage Japanese cards. Let me tell you about the prices. Let me tell you about my Charizard collection. Let me show you about these Japanese vending cards I just found out. So it's just the reaction, the Pokemon, and the knowledge. So you wanna look at your channel, look at what you're good at, and try to figure out like what you're giving your viewers. All right, and then this other part, I'm gonna go to the laptop as well, and show you guys what's up. I'll go ahead and I'll show you now how I create my thumbnails. So to use my thumbnails, I use the same thing that a lot of my friends use and that I found on YouTube. It's called Canva. So all you gotta do is go to canva.com, go ahead and create an account with your Gmail. It's totally free. Unless you want to add some extras. I don't pay for it, so I'm just using all that normally comes with it. So you go ahead and create a design, There's an option right here, YouTube thumbnail. Um, from YouTube thumbnail, usually you'll go ahead and you'll upload some pictures. So I already have a bunch of uploads, or you can, you go to uploads and you'll upload an image or video from your desktop already. We'll go ahead and we'll just use some of the stuff that I already have set out from other thumbnails that I've created. You'll see that I have a lot of photos, just like PNGs of Pokemon or images from things that I'm going to use for the thumbnails. So here's like a great one that I think I've used a couple of times. So this one I think was originally for opening a vintage Pokemon vending sheet, as you can see right there. And then I think I turned it into like other things and other ones. And you could, so I want to say, oh yeah, another thing is expression. Like you want to show your face in these thumbnails if you can, because people want to have that kind of connection. And then there's also another thing that a lot of YouTubers tend to do, and I do it a lot, and my brother does it, is you have your mouth open. It's just like, it's mandatory. If you have your face in a thumbnail, you need to have your mouth open in the thumbnail. I think it just shows more. It's just an expression. That guy's really happy. Like I'm really happy. His mouth is open and smiling. This is gonna be an awesome video. This one right here didn't do as well. My mouth was closed. Mouth open. Boom. But yeah, so I like this one because I think I changed it up. On this other one, I put a Pokeball in front of it and like maybe some cards. So I have these PNGs that I use a lot because they look really nice. They're high def, and you can just be like, all right, maybe I'm not going to show them that, but I'll show them this big old Pokeball, and I'll show them maybe I'm going Gold Star hunting. So I'll put, these are just screenshots that I use and I cropped. And then you can just like put them right here. Boom, boom. Maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller because I'm going to put some text in here. And if you want to put some text and give it some pizzazz, what I see a lot of people do is you'll go over to elements, go into one of these free shapes that you can use, turn this square into a rectangle, put it at an angle, because all those big YouTube channels, they have those angles in there. And then we'll go ahead, expand it, give it some kind of pop in color that goes around with everything else, maybe red, white, yellow, blue. Let's see what yellow looks like. Yellow looks pretty cool. And then maybe like red text in there. So yeah, I'll go to text, add a heading, and then the heading doesn't have to be your title. It's just something that you want to make it bold, you want to make it bright, you want to make it exciting. So it might just be like Gold Star Pokemon or something like that. Like if I'm hunting for Gold Star, then I'll put like hunting somewhere else, but I'll put like Gold Star. Gold Star Pokemon. I'll put that in black. That's not that black of a black. That's a better black. And then I would mess around with the size a little bit more because I'd still want it to be kind of big. I normally put like exclamation marks and stuff too. Because I'm excited. I haven't gotten a Gold Star yet, almost. I'm sure I didn't name this video. Is probably Gold Star hunting. You don't want to do clickbaity things. I don't know. Just as me as a Pokemon YouTuber, I'm not comfortable as doing clickbaity titles. So for this one, it would probably be more like Gold Star Pokemon hunting, because that's what I'm doing. I got some packs that have potential Gold Star cards. Let them know what those Gold Star cards are, and just be like Gold Star Pokemon hunting or something. And then then you'll go ahead and you'll click download, and then change PNG to JPEG. This is just a smaller file size, and it's a lot easier. You don't get any errors when you try to upload it to YouTube. So yeah, this is how I create my thumbnails. Now you want to go out there and you want to find subscribers. So the best way that I found how to do this is just becoming a bigger part in the Pokemon community and getting your name out there to the other YouTubers. So this is what I do. This is what I do a lot. I'll go to Pokemon cards or Pokemon opening on YouTube, and I'll search, and boom, you see like Leonhart, the biggest Pokemon YouTuber right there. You see Enlisted Leaf. he has even more subscribers than Leonhardt. So you're not seeing all of these guys. Go ahead and filter. I normally go sort by upload date, and then today. I don't know, I just do that today. And then I go, and then this is where we see all the smaller YouTubers like myself. PokeBeast, he's awesome, and I think I'm doing a tournament with him. So this is where I'll see these guys. And I'll go and I'll find ones that look interesting. And I'll click on them, and I'll watch the video. See, this is one that I watched earlier. And so yeah, I don't think I've seen this one. Yeah, I have it. So let me lower the volume. So yeah, so what you do is you'll go through these videos, and oh, this is a bigger guy too, 30,000. So normally I try to find smaller ones or bigger ones like this, and then you just watch the video. And if you like it, subscribe and like it, and then comment and let them know what you liked about it. If you don't like it, then normally I'll still like it because we're all part of the same community. But I don't necessarily subscribe to channels that I don't like, and I normally don't comment on channels that I don't like. So yeah, and that's it. And then I don't ask for a sub because I don't want somebody to just subscribe to me that's not going to watch the channel. And I don't ask, I don't tell them that I necessarily have a channel. I believe that my profile picture of me and my brother cartoon with a Charmander holding up a card, and then just the name Vintage Pokemon Hunter Bros could kind of say enough. And I know when I started out doing videos, and even now, if I see a comment or a subscriber, I normally look at their profile immediately. I'm like, who is this person that likes my stuff? You know, I'm really excited whenever I see a comment. I'm really excited whenever I see a new subscriber. I feel that that's something that a lot of other people share as well. So yeah, just go ahead and filter by Pokemon opening, Pokemon card, Pokemon, and then just try to find these other small channels that are like yourself and that you like, that you enjoy, and then just be a part of their community. And if you're lucky, they'll be a part of your community, and you'll grow. And then that's the thing, is just staying up on that. They comment on your stuff, comment back, and yeah, and then just keep that up. That's what I'm doing right now. If you see all of my videos, it's really rare that you'll see a comment that I don't comment back. As long, like, if it's a bot like Tim or Tom, I normally don't comment back to those. Maybe in the beginning. Like my first few videos, Tom would comment, and then I would be excited for Tom. If you don't know, Tom is a bot. And then he switches his name every once in a while. So a lot of Pokemon content creators will see Tom. But yeah, in the beginning, I was excited to even see Tom, because he'll say, "Hey, you're doing a great job. You need more views." And I'd be like, "Thank you, Tom. I know you're a robot, but those words still make me happy." All right, so I think that's about it. I'll probably go back on to the face cam and close this out. Okay, everybody, so a little bit more on advertising. So we made the thumbnail. We showed you how to go through YouTube and find the other newer YouTube channels. So social media. So you want to utilize social media some more. Instagram, Reddit, Facebook. Yeah, those are the ones that I use. And when I look at my analytics on YouTube, I see that there's people who found me on all of those. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a Reddit account. You want to go to those Pokemon subreddits like Pokemon TCG Collectors, Pokemon, I think YouTubers might be one, or Pokemon openings. And don't spam those with just, all of your videos all at once or anything. I usually try to limit mine just like once a week. And if you find a subreddit that you upload to, try to become also like an active member in that subreddit, where you're not just posting videos, but you're also like answering people's questions. Like I try to go on there whenever I'm bored, and like people are like, "How much is this?" Just go on eBay. What did that sell for recently? That usually goes around, goes for about this much. Or if you see an awesome card, let them know, "Oh, that's really beautiful. Never seen that before." Just become a member, become a part of the Pokemon community, and really get your name out there. That's the important thing. Facebook. I don't have a Vintage Pokemon Hunter Brothers Facebook. I just have my personal Facebook. And what I do is I usually, maybe like once a month, if there's a video that I really like when me and my brother opened up the base set cards, I was really, really excited about that. And we spent a lot of money on that one. So that was one that I decided to upload to my Facebook as well. and just let my close family and friends know, hey, I have this Pokemon channel and we do these nerdy things with Pokemon cards. Maybe you guys will like to take a look at it. We're really proud of this video. And yeah, I got a lot of close subscribers from that. When I worked, I started to let my friends know who I knew were really into Pokemon, that this is something that I did. You just I guess, to get subscribers, don't be pushy, but just let people know who you think might be interested in that this is something that you do. And yeah, and just you just need to go out there and become more a part of the Pokemon community. So yeah, just advertising, just get your name out there. Go to the Facebook pages for Pokemon and start talking to people. And yeah, that's basically it. And you'll notice it isn't that people don't like you. It's just that people can't find you, and you just want to make yourself easier and easier to find. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helps out a lot. It's not easy, but it's definitely rewarding when you just grow these relationships with other Pokemon YouTubers and other just people who watch YouTube videos. It's really awesome. So I hope you guys all do well. I hope you listen to this information, and I hope your channels grow. And thank you all very much. You have a great day. Bye.